This one has a nice honeycomb dial that makes it super nice and looks very unique. Now, it is pretty rare that we see Rolex having case backs on their watches. Hello everyone, my name is Peter and I'll be giving you a tour video of this Rolex Land-Dweller. Here we have the white outer sleeve box. Let's go ahead and take that out. Here we have the new 2025 Rolex green box. Opening this up, here we have the new ripple style effect. And opening this up, we have the watch itself. Here we have that beautiful Land-Dweller with the white dial. This one has a nice honeycomb dial that makes it super nice and looks very unique, almost like a motif dial. I know Rolex has like motif dials that make it look kind of like this. Yeah, this is their new honeycomb style. But this one I believe is my favorite one because how classy white is. They also have a ice blue, but here we have this white one. And just going all around, we do have this nice, beautiful, it's almost like a Jubilee bracelet. Here we have this almost like an oyster mixed with a Jubilee, which is nice. It has that Jubilee style look to it in the middle. But yeah, this definitely reminds me of like a Royal Oak or like maybe like a Vacheron 22 or 222, right? Kind of reminds me of that. But here we have this beautiful fluted bezel in white gold. But yeah, let's go ahead and show you the condition. Here we have the bottom angle. We have the bottom left angle. Here we have the case side. You have the top left. Here we have the top of the watch. Here we have the top right. We have the crown side. Here I have the bottom right. Looking very beautiful. We have the clasp. And this one looks like the day dates or like the lady Rolexes. Has this Rolex crown to clasp it in. And once you lift up this crown, you're presented with the open clasp. Here you have the beautiful open clasp. And the best thing about this watch right here is that beautiful case back. Now, it is pretty rare that we see Rolex having case backs on their watches. Another watch that does have a case back is the Platona. But look at how beautiful that case back is, man. By far my favorite Rolex. And they just did a good job of making the watch so simple and very nice to look at. Super classy. And yeah, it's been getting a lot of popularity because it's something unique that you haven't seen Rolex do. And the way they did this type of watch, they did it perfectly and having their own style to it. So now let's go over the functions. We do have the screw out crown that pulls out, and once it's pulled out, you can go ahead and manually wind the watch here. And what this does, it just feeds power to the power reserve. Here we have the hands. During the 24-hour rotation, did change the date. So let's go and change it to 6:30 position. That way we can go ahead and change the date. So as you can see, they all beautifully flick down. So I'm trying to get a specific date on here. There you go. Such a beautiful watch. I really love this watch. And yeah, let's go ahead and show you one more function of this watch. So let's go ahead and turn off the light and see how the lume is. Here we have the lume under the black light to activate the light. Here we have this beautiful teal blue. As you can see, very nice, very bright. Now let's go ahead and check out the set contents. So for this watch, we do have the Rolex green hang tag and the white hang tag showing you the serial number. And for this one, it does come with the new Land-Dweller manual. It has a cool picture of the dial, which is nice. Here we have the guarantee manual with the warranty card as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I know I did. I love this watch. This is my favorite Rolex so far. Yeah, see you guys in the next one. Thanks.